For your desk job, remember the days when robots were confined to factory floors doing the dirty and dangerous jobs humans didn't want? Those days are long gone. Artificial intelligence is evolving at a breakneck pace, and with it comes the very real possibility that white-collar jobs, the ones that require critical thinking, creativity, even emotional intelligence, might be next on the chopping block. Sound far-fetched? Think again. We're already seeing AI write articles, compose music, design websites, and even diagnose diseases, often with greater speed and accuracy than their human counterparts. What happens when your friendly neighborhood accountant is replaced by an algorithm that can file your taxes in seconds? Or when your doctor's appointments are conducted by a virtual physician who never sleeps or takes a vacation? This isn't science fiction, folks. It's the reality we're hurtling towards, and the implications for the middle class are nothing short of seismic. As AI takes over tasks once thought exclusive to humans, millions of middle-class jobs, from paralegals and insurance adjusters to teachers and journalists, could be automated out of existence. The question is, are we prepared for this new reality? From code to canvas, no job is safe. Let's be clear. The potential impact of AI isn't limited to just a few industries. From the programmers writing the code to the artists painting portraits, the reach of this technology is vast and growing. Think your job is safe because it requires a human touch? Think again. AI-powered chatbots are already handling customer service inquiries with remarkable efficiency. AI-driven legal software is helping lawyers sift through mountains of documents, identifying relevant information with superhuman speed. Even creative fields like music and writing are feeling the heat, with AI composing symphonies and generating marketing copy that's often indistinguishable from human-generated content. The scary part? We're just scratching the surface of what AI can do. As this technology continues to advance at an exponential rate, it's not unreasonable to think that even highly skilled jobs requiring years of education and training could be at risk. This isn't about fear-mongering. It's about facing the reality of a rapidly changing job market and asking ourselves some tough questions about the future of work. The widening gap: economic disparity in the age of AI. The rise of AI has the potential to exacerbate the already alarming levels of economic inequality in our society. As middle-class jobs disappear and wages stagnate, the gap between the haves and the have-nots will continue to widen. We've already seen this play out with automation in manufacturing, where millions of blue-collar workers were displaced, leading to job losses, wage suppression, and social unrest. Now imagine this same scenario unfolding on a much larger scale, impacting not just factory workers but also teachers, nurses, accountants, and countless other middle-class professions. The consequences could be devastating, leading to increased poverty, social unrest, and a shrinking middle class, the very backbone of our economy. This isn't just an economic issue, it's a moral one. We cannot, in good conscience, stand by and watch as millions of hardworking Americans are left behind by the technological revolution. We need to start thinking about solutions now, solutions that ensure everyone benefits from the advancements in AI, not just a select few. Section 4. Fighting back: education, adaptation, and a new social contract. The good news is it's not all doom and gloom. While the challenges posed by AI are significant, they are not insurmountable. By embracing education, fostering adaptability, and rethinking our social contract, we can navigate this new landscape and create a future where humans and AI thrive together. We need to revamp our education system to equip future generations with the skills they need to succeed in an AI-driven world. This means focusing on critical thinking, problem-solving, creativity, and emotional intelligence, skills that are uniquely human and difficult for AI to replicate. We also need to provide robust reskilling and retraining programs for those whose jobs are displaced by AI. This will require a collaborative effort between government, industry, and educational institutions to ensure workers have access to the resources and support they need to adapt to the changing demands of the job market. Finally, we need to start thinking about innovative solutions like a universal basic income to provide a safety net for those who are struggling to make ends meet in the new economy. Section 5. The future is now: a call to action. The rise of AI is not just an abstract concept. It's a force that will reshape our world in profound ways. The choices we make today will determine whether this technology empowers us or leaves us behind. We can't afford to wait for the future to happen to us. We need to shape it. This starts with a conversation, an honest and open dialogue about the challenges and opportunities presented by AI. We need to engage with policymakers, industry leaders, educators, and each other to find solutions that work for everyone. We need to ask ourselves tough questions about the future of work, the role of education, and the kind of society we want to create. This isn't just about robots and algorithms, it's about people. It's about ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to thrive in the age of AI, regardless of their background or skill set. Let's embrace the challenge, seize the opportunity, and work together to create a future where technology empowers humanity, not replaces it. The future is now. Let's make it count.